To change the color of an object, select it. Select Material Properties on the right side. To change the color, click on Base Color. To see the changes, change mode to Material Preview. If two models share the same material, they will also share the same color. To make a copy of the current material, click New Material on the right side. You can also make a new material by removing the old one with the minus icon. New to make new material. You can select one of the materials you previously made. To color different areas of an object, you can select the face you wish to color. Click the plus icon and New to make the material. Click Assign and you can change the color now. You can also use one of the materials you previously made. To remove materials, click the minus icon. And to copy materials from one object to the other, first select the object without the materials, and then the object with materials, and click Ctrl L to link materials.